simple, like.
That's what my sister is telling me. I have a sister, my elder sister in
Big
Washington.
one.
She said, oh, only one conure there will cost you almost $2,000.
Yeah, and they, when I said to them, hey, I can get those for $60 in the Philippines, they're laughing. Yeah, we know. I think they're only paying $100 for them, and they're just making huge profit.
Trainer.
Hi! Hello! Hi!
We started hand feeding this one at age
That's pretty
2 weeks
cool.
old. Because the parents,
Hi, what's your
so far
name?
in a year,
You're a pretty bird!
yeah.
You're a
So,
pretty bird!
you won't take them out.
Goodness!
They're plucking the feathers of the chick, so it stays already. It's not biting.
Hi! Oh my god, this green ones also.
These are my breeders.
Fine.
I have 8 pairs. Yeah. Only 7 pairs now because last pair,
Hi! Hi!
the green one, the hen was bitten by the snake. It wasn't able to eat it, only,
Pretty cool.
and these two boss are
Very nice. Nepay, he's very nice.
I have, I think,
Oy.
3 here. 3 pairs here incubating
Look
now.
at a friend. Look at a friend. You okay?
You went to Albert Triggery?
No,
Not yet?
I just
Message him.
message him on phone.
Yeah, Albert in Philippines, here in Cebu, he's known for the green chiffoniers.
Okay.
He has a nice mutation of green chiffoniers.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Jill.
Hello,
You dance,
Jill.
Jill, you dance. You can take pictures with Jill.
I got video.
The parents for that one are these.
Hatch 2 chicks. And same thing, when mama is up in the back, they killed also the other chick. So, and I have here Santoneurs. Next are at home. I got around 70 there. I'm keeping the ringnecks there.
You got nice.
Hi.
Some young gender Indian ringneck chicks.
So cute.
The hen is incubating eggs.
My brother had a gray. He lived here, and
It's a nice talker.
Cute.
I
Hi.
have one at home.
Oh my
They
god.
are, they hatched. I saw the other one, and the one I brought it home. It's a very nice talker. He calls names everybody at home.
her ringneck said 40 words.